Going to show you how to load some silly shells. This is the Mega XL dart shell. You just stick it in just like that. For the rival ball shell, you get your shell and you put in one ball at a time. So you put in one ball and you stick it all the way to the end. You can do up to 3 balls in this one shell. So you could either just do 1 ball, or you could just do 2 balls, or you could just do 3 balls. Or not just do, you could do 3 balls. And there you go. That's ready to fire. For the triple full-length dart shell, you kind of hold them in a triangular shape, get the foam started, then press them down all at once. In order to do this with half darts, you do the same with just 1 layer of half darts. Stick them in as far as you can flush with the face, then use your finger in the middle and push them down all the way. I like to use my pinky all the way down, then do it again with the second layer. For the quadruple elite dart shell, you can either do it one of 2 ways. You can hold them in a sort of square pattern like this. These are half darts, but it's the same for the full-length darts. You can kind of hold it in a square shape, put them all in at once and kind of push them down. You want them all to be aligned height-wise, and then push them all the way down. Or you can do it 2 by 2. So you get 2 darts, hold them next to each other, and then you stick them side by side like that, and then we'll hold in place. Then you stick the other 2 next to those like that, and you push them all down like that. And that would be the same for full-length darts.